Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So our today's question is we have to print one odd occurring number from the list of array. Okay, so we have been given an array. Suppose if we are given an array like 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 4. Okay, so suppose this is our array and we have to print the odd occurring number in this array. So for 1, the number is occurring twice, so it is not an odd occurring number. For 4, it is similar, it is an even occurring number, so it is not odd. So we have to print 2. So this is our question for the day. So let's see how we can implement this code. So first we require an array. So let's accept an array from the user. First of all, we will accept the size, enter the size, then when we will create an array, then we will accept the numbers in this array. Okay, so here we have taken the input of the elements of for an array, for our array. Now we will write the logic for our code, that is for finding the odd occurring number from our array. So odd occurring number. Okay, I have taken the array and the length of the array or the size of the array. So the logic over here is, as you have studied about the XOR operator in my first video of this playlist, I have explained you what XOR operator does. So what XOR operator does is that if we have both the bits same, then the output would be 0, and if we have two distinct bits, then the output would be 1. So what I am trying to say is that if both the bits are 1, then the output would be 0, and if both the bits are similarly 0, output would be 0, and if both the bits are distinct like 1 0, the output would be 1, and similarly for 0 1, the output would be 1. I hope you have watched my first video. If not, please visit my first video and first visit that video, and then after come to this video, it would be easier for you to understand. Okay, so now what we have to find, we have to find the odd occurring number. So how we can find is that there is a special property, there are some properties of XOR operator. That is, if we do the XOR of X XOR with 0, the output would be X. Okay, suppose if you have taken the number 5 and if you do the XOR of this 5 number 5 with 0, the output would be 5. Similarly, there is another property of XOR, that is, that you would require in this question, is that if we do the XOR of X XOR X, the output would be 0. What I'm trying to say is that if we do the XOR of 5 XOR 5, the output would be 0. As we have already seen over here, is that if we have the same element, same number of bits, we will get output as 0. That's why we have same number of bits, that is XX, we are getting output as 0, and if we have distinct bits, we are getting the number itself. Okay, so now let's start implementing this code. Okay, so we have to find the odd occurring number from the array. Okay, so what I will do, I will run the loop less than n. I will traverse the whole array. First I will create a result variable and initialize to 0, because I have to find which among the following elements is the number that is appearing odd number of times. Okay, so for int equal to 0, what I will do, I will do result is equal to result XOR array of I. What I am doing, I am doing the XOR operation with every element of the array. Okay, and then I will print simply the result. So this will give me the number that is appearing odd number of times. So let me give you an array. Suppose if we take the array of size 5, and the number of elements I would take in this element is 1 2 2 3 3. So here the number that is appearing odd number of times is 1. So let's see whether if we are getting right output or not. Let's run this program. So what is the size we have taken? We have taken the size as 5, and what are the elements? 1 2 2 3 3. Oh sorry, I have not called the function. So let me first call the function array and end. Okay, so let me rerun. The size is 5, the elements are 1 2 2 3 3. Yeah, we are getting the 1 as our output, because 1 is the number that is appearing odd number of times. Let me take another example. So let's suppose the size is 5 8, and we are taking the elements as 1 1 2 2 3 4 4. So how many elements we have taken? 3 3 6 7. One more element. So 1 1 2 2 3 3. Suppose we have taken 3. We have not taken any odd number of elements. So the output would be 0 because there is no element which is appearing odd number of times. Let's take another example. Suppose 7. Suppose 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4. So here the element that is appearing odd number of times is 2. Let's see whether we are getting 2. Yes, we are getting 2 as our output. So this is the simple question. But what we have to remember over here is that we have to remember these properties of the XOR. That is, if we do the XOR of a number element with the 0, we are getting the same number. And if we do the XOR of a number with the same number itself, then we get output as a 0. Okay. So this is how we can obtain the odd occurring number from the elements of an n. Okay. I hope you understood. So at last I would request everyone to please like, share, subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you.